You guys, today's mission is to see if I can escape out of Angeles City, Philippines. What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing well out there. First thing I want to say is I want to thank everybody who checked out Luda's channel, Luda's Diary Adventures in the Philippines. Yeah, guys, thanks so much for showing her the love. If you don't know who Luda is, I'm sure everybody does. Luda's my wife. If you've been following my channel for a while, you guys know. Those that haven't, yeah, that's my wife. That's her channel. But yeah, you guys, you know, hooked her up, you know, comments and, pay attention here, comments and subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I gotta pay attention here. Alright, going through the checkpoint here. This is my goal. I might be through the checkpoint here before you know it. This is a checkpoint in coming into San Fernando, city of San Fernando, Pampanga, which is my goal right now. Just gave me a thumbs up and away I went. But yeah, guys, let's see if we can get her 1,000 subscribers. Let's see if we can hook her up. But yeah, thank you. It's going to take her a while to answer all the you know, all the questions and comments. She's not on it like I am, like all the time. She's a busy woman. She's getting ready today. She went out and did a video today, and she'll be uploading that. So she's not on it constantly checking everything. I'm telling her what's going on more than, you know, like I said, like she's checking it out. But yo, guys, thanks a lot. This was my goal and accomplished already within a couple minutes here of riding. I wanted to see, people said they wanted to get over to SNR over in Daul, but they said they had a hard time getting through the checkpoints. Now last week I went through the checkpoint, had no problem. Yeah, it was backed up, it was a mess, but somebody said, oh, maybe go check out go if you want to go to SNR, go up to San Fernando. They said San Fernando checkpoint is easier to get through, and there it was. That was their checkpoint. Now it is Sunday and there's not as many people out, so I guess if you're in Angeles City, you're on a motorbike, you want to get up to SNR in San Fernando, go through that checkpoint there. See how easy it was. I haven't been at San Fernando in months and months. A lot of times we'll go up to San Fernando to the mall up there. It's a nice big mall. And it might have been the last time we were up there, Christmas time. But it's a really, really nice mall. One thing San Fernando does around Christmas, they do the big big lantern festivals up there. And it's really nice, really, really nice. I didn't want to keep going up that road. That would have taken me, of course, up into San Fernando. I'm just out. Nice. It's almost 10 o'clock. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Humidity's low. Just a beautiful day. Beautiful morning so far. A lot of rain last night. But this road here, I think this is Friendship Highway, the tail end of Friendship Highway. Friendship Highway runs out of Angeles City there. It is really nice. No traffic at all. This road tends to get backed up with a lot of trucks. Lots and lots of trucks throughout the week. They have all the block quarries. They have all the block quarries over there in Porac. Maybe I'll see if I can go into Porac. Maybe I'll do a double escape. a double escape out of Angeles. Tomorrow's 15th. Supposedly, we'll know whether we're still in GCQ or we will move to a modified GCQ, which will allow more businesses and people to be out and about. If you didn't catch it in the other video, breaking news video, there are no more cases here in Angeles City, and no new cases, and I guess everybody's recovered. So if that's the case, dude, we should move on to the next phase of this. Running a new setup here. If you look here down in the corner, you'll see me. I got two of the cameras running. My helmet camera and the camera directly in front, pointing at me. I also got the Purple Panda mic inside the helmet now. See how well that's going to do. I used to have a pin to my shirt, but like people were saying, it picks up a lot of the muffler noise and stuff. It's a good microphone. It just picks everything up. I don't know, is that good or bad? I guess it's good. It's a multi-directional microphone. Yeah, we're coming up here. If I go left here, I will go into Porac. If I go right, that'll take me directly back into the city of Angeles. Down into the circle. They got the traffic light here. It's not even on. So I guess enter at your own risk, huh? I don't know what I could tell them if they ask me where I'm going. What can I tell them? Getting medication. I don't know. If they'll even stop me, I'll just kind of like scoot up through the side here. They didn't even stop. Nobody's stopping. Nobody's checking. We're moving on, guys. We are moving on. Municipal city of Porac. There it is. Yeah, we got to come out of this eventually, huh? Stop control point. Nothing there. Nobody there. We'll just scoot up here a little bit. This is Porac. Porac's a nice area. It's away from the city. It has its own little stores and, you know, sorry stores and shopping places and stuff. But here's the catcher with Porac. This is why, unless I found a super good deal on a super nice house, I would never move into Porac, and here's why. Brownouts. They get brownouts like crazy here in Porac, and they're not just like an hour. They will stretch. Brownouts here will stretch on for hours. Sometimes even days. Yeah. Can be crazy. Guys, during a week, this is madhouse through here too. It can take you half hour or so to get through here. Easily a half hour. It just crawls. Now, if you're on a motorbike, of course it's different. You can scoot around people left and right. You also got to watch too. You don't hit the big old holes, because there's some nice big holes on the side. This bridge here, this one of these bridges, I forget which one. They were working on it and working on it for a long time. Long time. Which made the traffic even worse through here. See, there's a big truck in front of me right there. How you like looking at the back of that big truck, huh? This is the way I'll take down to Subic Bay on the motorbike. The car, of course, I'll take the highway. But on the motorbike, this is a nice ride. This was the bridge they were working on for a long time. Finally, it's done. I'll just scoot out here and see how far I can go. I look back at some of these side roads and there's no barricade that doesn't allow, you know, that they have blocked off to go into side roads. Never really scooted down any of these side roads here. Just really no reason to. No real reason. Oh, there goes another big truck. Alright, traffic guy. Doing a good job, buddy. Hot traffic coming out of there. Fiesta Homes is back in there. It's a big housing community. Fiesta. I think we'll just ride to the big bridge out here. You see that? He took it. I didn't. The road's all beat up right there. Yeah, I want to get around, but I'm not going to destroy the bike trying to get around. Destroy a rim. We'll scoot to this side. What's it look like on this side, huh? If I wanted to, huh? I could if I wanted to. You're gonna ride motorbikes in the Philippines, or you're gonna ride a car. The old saying, when in Rome, do as the Romans. When in Philippines, when you're driving, do as the Filipinos. Sorry about the ugly view. Let's see. There's a car there. Sure, their little stand set up through here too. The car is parked there. I could have go. But because that guy thinks the road is a parking lot, then again, when in Rome, right? Here we go. I ain't gonna run all the way out to the bridge. We'll just run to the end of Porac here. So I escaped twice from Angeles. I know you couldn't get in here before, unless you lived in this area. They were stopping people back at that checkpoint. No-go. It was a no-go. I know I keep adjusting my mask. Somebody will yell at me, ah, you're playing with your mask too much. Well, we have 0 cases, guys, so I can play with my mask. Heck, I'll even take down my mask. Porac, San Fernando, along a pole. This is about it. It's about the end of the road here. You go straight out, and we'll go over the bridge. It's not too far out. We'll go over the bridge. Big, nice, long bridge. Boy, if you don't have traffic like this, from here you could probably be in Subic Bay in an hour and a half if you keep riding straight. You ride during the week with traffic 2 hours, and that's stopping maybe once. But on a day like today, wow, you can just ride out. Here's where all your block companies are and stuff back in here. You can taste it in your mouth. You can taste the grit. It's in the air. It's on the road. Alright, here's the bridge we're coming up on. This is the bridge. The bridge. Over there. Over there. Yeah, this is the bridge. Coming out of Porac. Alright, let's get off the bridge and I will turn around. Ba-bum. Get over here. I can do a U-turn. Alright guys, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed my little escape out of Angeles City. Twice. Well, things are starting to ease up. Things are starting to settle down. Like I said, tomorrow we'll find out if we're moving to the modified GCQ. Like I had said, we have to get out of this. I mean, it's been an adventurous ride. That's for sure, an adventurous ride. Everybody's gone through it, right? Everybody around the world. But once again, you know what? Thanks a lot for going over and checking Lut's channel out. Lut's Diary Adventures in the Philippines. If you haven't subscribed, go over and subscribe. Leave the comments. She will get to them. Let's see if we get her 1,000 subscribers. I mean, that would be awesome. So, anyways, guys, that is a wrap from, oh, no longer in Angeles. That's